The remote signature allows to sign documents to anyone with a computer, tablet, or smartphone, without the need for prior installation or any knowledge. This is the best tool for organizations that want to streamline processes, which normally require several steps. Here's an example of a remote signature workflow. The user initiates the signing process from his regular software. This can be any application, from a great platform like Salesforce, MS Dynamics, SAP, up to a small and specific app, as well as an office suite. The recipient gets the document on his own device and opens VidSigner for reviewing. To guarantee security, a one-time password is sent to the smartphone via SMS. VidSigner captures the signature information and bounds it univocally to the document. This way, it keeps the signer's identity, the integrity of the document, and the intent of the signature. Contact us to learn how we can help your business with our digital signature services. Together, we connect better.